How to remove payments method on Turo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove payments method on Turo. So how do you go about this? The first step is for you to log in into your Turo's account, just like I've done here. And once you are logged in and you're brought to the home page, the next step is for you to navigate to your payments tab, to your payments methods tab, which is often located by moving to the top right corner of the screen, and then either under profile or under account, or on this page your payments tab will be displayed. Now the reason there is no payment methods tab for me is because so far I have not added it. Okay, and you can add your payment method by renting a car on Turo. That is the major way of getting a or being able to add a payment method to your account. So when you rented a car on Turo, you'll be asked to add a payment method. By adding a payment method, the payment method tab will be added either under your account page here or under your profile or as a tab on its own. So once you have that, navigate to your payment method tab. On this page, you'll see the number of payment methods that you've added already to your account. And so click on the payment method you want to remove. When you click on this payment method that you would like to remove, you'll see the option remove. Click on that, confirm the action, and then the selected payment method would be successfully removed from your Turo account. So that is it. This is how you can remove payment method on Turo. Thank you for watching and have a good day.